Welcome to the WSDM Utilities Guide. After signing in, please navigate to the WSDM section under the Account tab and ensure that your wallet is connected. You can view your WSDM balance here in Wallet. To utilize your WSDM tokens for full access to platform features, simply lock your tokens here. Choose your desired package and activate it with ease. Ensure the selected package is correct and proceed promptly, ideally within 30 minutes before any price adjustments. Please do not refresh or close the tab or browser until the process is complete. Your tokens are now successfully locked, granting you full access to all platform features based on your package. You can also import LCWSDM tokens, which serve as your receipt here. You can easily check your activated package here or in the subscription tab.